So you guys, we're going to do a ADHD screening now. So grab a paper and a pen. I only have 6 questions for you. You can do it. And then you're going to write on the top of the paper, never, rarely, sometimes, often, very often. And then you're going to write the questions here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you're going to put a cross to what applies to the question. And this is the last 6 months. You can do this. Okay. I'm going to read the first question and then you're going to put your mark. If it's never, rarely, sometimes, often, very often. First question. How often do you have trouble wrapping up the final details of a project once the challenging parts have been done? So you have to think about the last 6 months. Is it never, rarely, sometimes, often, very often? Number 2, how often do you have difficulty getting things in order when you have to do a task that requires organization? So if you're at work and you have this task that you have to organize, is it difficult for you or not? And then you score accordingly. Number 3, how often do you have problems remembering appointments or obligation? Do you sometimes do double bookings? Do you sometimes stand somebody up because you forget? Or how is this with you in everyday life? Number 4, when you have a task that requires a lot of thought, how often do you avoid or delay getting started? This is a procrastination. Procrastination is a huge within the ADHD spectrum. Number 5, how often do you fidget or squirm with your hands or feet when you have to sit down for a long time? So when we were kids, we maybe bite our nails, or I remember this guy in my class, he was always doing like this in the class. It was driving me insane. Or do you maybe tap with your foot a lot? Or are you maybe cropping these things when you're sitting still? Are you doing something, or maybe just fidgeting? Number 6, this is the last question, you can do this. How often do you feel overly active and compelled to do things like you're driven by a motor? I love this question, driven by a motor. So how active are you? Do you have difficulties relaxing, or how is it with you? And then I'm going to show you that if you scored number 1, sometimes, often, or very often, then you get 1 point. If you scored 2, the same, sometimes, often, or very often, you have 2 points. If you scored number 3, sometimes, often, or very often, also, then you also get another point, then you're up to 3 points. So there's 1 point for every question of the alternatives that I read for you. Number 4, if you scored it often or very often, you get 1 point. Number 5,